This is no doubt. These are the place once we can imagine. There's many saffron robe like us who are walking around here, doing their practice, doing their chanting, studying the Buddhist philosophy, and so and so. But in this phase, in this 21st century, we are seeing here as a ruin, archaeological ruins. We are seeing here as a death archaeology, as everyone just seeing us. But if we have a wisdom, if we have a dedication like His Excellency here, we can see that the story doesn't end with these rocks. The story doesn't end with all these ruins of this monastery. But whole idea is that amidst this very hot weather, we are still able to stand still, and then we can still appreciate the wealthy, the beauty once it holds in this place.